We got a blast! Come on, Connor! Glad I'm not in there! Okay, everybody, hang on! Look out for the slime, too! Look out, that big Simon ain't on a mission! Nice catch! Hey, Arnold!
Thank you very much. Good to be here. Yeah, you're good.
Oh, my aching head!
Bacon head? Okay.
Don't let him eat my head, Jimmy!
This isn't really helping, guys! Cosmo, just give him your whole Go away! Carl, we have to follow him! Sounds like a witch! No, that thing don't...
You don't really like us here.
Got to stop him, Carl!
Oh, I got a friend! This time I don't think it's
And some of this neutron! It's a trap!
Jimmy, it's so nice to see you. And your little friends, too. And you know there's one more friend that's been looking very forward to seeing you.
Yes, Hell Travel teach you the meaning.
Hang on, everybody! This is gonna get...
I was hoping for over.
Girls, we've lost power! Take your belt off and wrap it around the modulator, will I? Uh-oh.
I'm kind of hoping...
Nothing to worry about, Carl. Prepare to splash down.
Okay, whatever you say.
SpongeBob, look!
Wow, a rocket-powered jellyfish. Here, jelly, jelly. Gotcha!
Hey, I can't see!
I'm bringing it around town. Sandy, you look...
See that, Carl? Back home, safe and sound.
Now I just have to wait for my pants to dry, because if they don't, I
You may have scrambled my bumbling brother, Neutron, but you'll rue the day you scorned me. Now I have control. Fate beyond your worst nightmare. Dance, dance the dance of a chicken.
Do something!
I don't think I can! It's got me! Besides, what could I do?
Cosmo's wand!
Oh, yeah! Superpower laser beam! Cool!
Oh, poo.
Nice shot, Carl!
Yeah, thanks, Jim. Check this out. Llama, 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 llama.
What? Say